Welcome back to 99 Reviews. Today we are diving into a brand new AI model that could change the way visual storytelling works. It is called Higgsfield Popcorn, and it is being called the Nano Banana Killer for years. AI image generators have amazed us with their detail and style, but one thing has always been missing. True storytelling, we could create single images or even short videos, but keeping a story consistent from frame to frame was nearly impossible. Each new image would change faces, backgrounds, or lighting, making the story fall apart. That is where Higgsfield Popcorn steps in. It takes everything we love about models like Nano Banana Seedream and Sora 2 and fixes their biggest weakness: consistency. This model is not just about creating images, it is about building complete cinematic stories with perfect character and environment. Continuity: imagine creating a full movie scene just by describing it in text. Upload a few reference images and Popcorn takes care of the rest. It builds your sequence frame by frame while keeping your characters. Close facial expressions and lighting identical. Higgsfield Popcorn is powered by a unique visual consistency engine. It uses a special identity mapping system that reads every element in your reference image and remembers it through every generation. That means if you show Popcorn one face, it will stay exactly the same in every scene, no matter what prompt you use. Think of it like giving AI memory for visuals, and that changes everything. You can upload up to 4 reference images, like your main character, a location, or a key prop. Then Popcorn can expand that into up to 8 consistent outputs that follow your story. Each one looks like a frame from a real movie. It is built by Higgsfield, the company behind the ultra-realistic Higgsfield Soul model. That model was famous for its cinematic lighting and human-like depth. Now Popcorn takes that power and gives you full storytelling control. It is consistent, cinematic, and incredibly easy to use. Here's how it works. Go to Higgsfield.ai and open the Popcorn feature. Upload 1 to 4 images. Write your prompt. You can use one single prompt for all frames or separate ones for each frame. If you want to direct every moment differently, then choose how many frames you want up to 8, for example. I uploaded an image of a woman detective and wrote: a detective searches for clues in a mysterious case. Cinematic film. Noir, black and white. Popcorn instantly generated 5 frames with the same detective. Same lighting and same style. It looked like stills from a Hollywood movie. That is what makes Popcorn stand out. It understands emotion as atmosphere and story progression. Every new frame feels like the next shot of a real scene. Let us compare it with other models. Nano Banana creates beautiful art, but every frame changes. Seedream has style, but it loses the face and background consistency. Sora 2 from OpenAI can create realistic clips, but you cannot easily edit or direct every shot. Higgsfield Popcorn combines all these strengths and gives you total creative control. And it is not limited to filmmakers. Content creators can build short reels or AI stories. Marketers can make brand visuals that stay consistent across every post. Graphic novel. Artists can generate entire comic sequences in a single click. Even YouTubers can design thumbnails or background scenes that match perfectly across episodes. You can even use it as an advanced photo editor. Replace backgrounds, adjust lighting, or add cinematic effects in Popcorn. Keeps the subject exactly the same. No mismatched faces, no different outfits, no broken lighting. Let us look at some real cases. Case 1. A detective story. 1 reference image and a single prompt creates 5 noir shots with the same detective exploring different rooms. Case 2. A fantasy world with a man searching for a dragon. 7 consistent frames, all matching in color, tone, and style. Case 3. 2 characters. 1 city, 1 forest. Popcorn blends them naturally. Same expressions, same atmosphere, same story flow, and it works fast. What used to take hours of manual editing now takes seconds. This is what AI-assisted filmmaking really looks like for creators like you and me. This means complete freedom. You can plan short films, storyboards, or even full trailers without a camera. Agora Cast Popcorn lets you direct every shot using only your imagination. And if we look ahead, this technology points to the future of AI cinema right now. It gives us still frames, but imagine when Higgsfield connects popcorn to motion models like Sora. We will have full-length AI movies directed entirely by text. Storytelling is changing faster than ever with tools like popcorn. We are not just watching AI generate images, we are watching AI learn how to tell stories like humans do with emotion continuity and artistic intent. So why does this matter? Because stories are how we connect. And if AI can preserve that connection visually, it becomes more than a tool. It becomes a creative partner. Higgsfield popcorn is consistent, cinematic aesthetic, and powerful. It is the next step in AI creativity, and it is available right now. If you want to try it out, Higgsfield is currently offering free access for a limited time. Visit higgsfield.ai or check the link below. To sign up, upload your first images, write your prompts, and start creating your own visual story. Today, this is Umer from 99 Reviews, and that was Higgsfield Popcorn the Nano Banana Killer. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.